Looking to save money on car repairs? Today, I'll show you how to rotate tires on your car. First, you'll need a jack, lug wrench, and a set of jack stands. Start by loosening the lug nuts on each wheel, but don't remove them just yet. Next, use the jack to lift one side of the car off the ground. Place a jack stand under the car for added safety and stability. Now, slowly lower the car onto the jack stand and repeat the process for the other side. With the car lifted, remove the lug nuts and take off the first tire. Place that tire in the correct spot as indicated in your car's owner's manual. Then, tighten the lug nuts back onto the tire, but don't fully tighten just yet. Repeat this process for the remaining tires, always following the correct rotation pattern specified in your manual. Once all tires are rotated, lower the car from the jack stands and onto the ground. Now, it's time to fully tighten the lug nuts. Use the lug wrench to secure them properly. After tightening, double-check each tire's tightness for your safety. Finally, take a short test drive to ensure everything feels right and that the tires are balanced. Congratulations! You've successfully rotated the tires on your car, saving money and ensuring even tire wear. Remember to repeat this process every 5,000 to 7,000 miles for optimal performance and tire longevity.